Today here in the Lion's Den, we are pleased to announce this. We are going to sell this Hitachi 890 excavator in our Bushnell auction on Friday, February 9th. This thing is massive. It is a 2021 year model with 2,000 hours. And it is in very good condition. As you can see, we are very happy to have this machine. And again, it will be selling February 9th at Alex Lyon & Son in our Bushnell, Florida auction, our 31st annual auction. 10 full days of selling, but this machine will be selling on Friday, February 9th, probably sometime around noon, 1 o'clock. Very nice. Very nice. Come see us. We have a full listing of all our gear at www.lyonauction.com. Thank you.